Hello everyone, when there is no content printed. First, check if the paper is installed correctly. Proper installation means the printing side of the paper should face down. Press the feed button to position the paper, then perform a test print. If content appears, everything is working normally. Another factor to consider is that some customers may need thermal paper for proper printing to work.